Python date interval intersection. As a matter of general interest, I'm wondering if there's a more elegant or efficient way to do this. I have a function that compares two start and tuples of dates returning true if they intersect. So if then etc. I'm curious to know if there's a more Pythonic, elegant, more efficient, or less verbose, generally better, way to do this with maybe max datetime or some clever hack with time delta or set. An alternative and useful form would be for the function to return a start and tuple of the intersection if one is found. Thanks.
It's not really more Pythonic, but you can simply the logic to decide on an intersection somewhat. This particular problem crops up a lot. To see why this works, think about the different possible ways that the two intervals can intersect and see that the starting point of one must always be within the range of the other.
Here's a version that gives you the range of intersection. IMHO, it might not be the most optimized number of conditions, but it clearly shows when T2 overlaps with T1. You can modify based on other answers if you just want the true/false.
An alternative and hopefully more intelligible solution. We can get the interval of the overlap easily. It is latest_start, earliest_end. Note that latest_start can be equal to earliest_end. It should be noted that this assumes that A_start is lower than or equal to A_end and B_start is lower than or equal to B_end.
Only the start is lower than or equal to other_finish and other_start is lower than or equal to finish need to be true to return an overlap.
If you want to support the channel, please share it and subscribe.